This is really difficult. I never thought it would come to this. But unfortunately, I have to say goodbye to Harley-Davidson. So me and Lil do the riding. Unfortunately, this will probably be our last time doing this. You okay, little guy? Yeah. I'm not. Daddy's not okay. Yep, almost there.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
Ooh, destination on the left. Oh man. We here, Larry. It's our last time here. Larry, let's walk through here for some last memories, all right? Okay?
Okay.
All right. 5 years ago, me and this little guy right here came to visit this dealership right here. And we did a video about how it was his first Harley-Davidson dealership visit. And of course, since then, we've been to a few other dealerships in the country. But the one reason why today is sad is because this dealership is closing in the next couple of days. I couldn't let it close without bringing my little guy by here to say goodbye to District Harley-Davidson out here in Gaithersburg, Maryland. We're about to walk in here and go down memory lane. Ready, little guy?
Yeah.
Oh man. All furniture and displays on sale. $10 district t-shirts. Woo. Oh man, unfortunately, my heart is beating kind of fast.
Yeah.
You wanna go upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Last few boxes of things, all district t-shirts, $10. 60% off. What? It's a smoking deal on clothes. Man, if I could only get 60% off on a motorcycle, that'd be stupid awesome. But unfortunately, it's not the case. See what they got over here.
What's this? What's this right there?
Man. You okay? I'm asking him if he's okay, but I'm the one that's not okay. CVO. Man, Larry.
Let's go this way.
You can go over there?
Yeah.
All right, let's walk over there. And that's my Harley Owners Group sign right there. You actually joined the district chapter of the Harley Owners Group here in Gaithersburg. Oh, cop Mike. Look at it over here. Hey, just in case you didn't know, me and my dad are in this right here, right about right there. Me and Big Larry. Hey Larry, see me and Grandpa Uno? Some little dudes over there reading through some literature. What you reading, Larry? Real room. Come on, let's walk back to the dealership, okay? Whew. Let's walk over here and let's walk over here and talk to Mr. Chop and Mr. Larry. So how you doing there, sir?
Winding down.
Yeah. I can totally understand. Had to bring my little guy back here for another video. I did a video with him when he was 6 months old as his first dealership video. And since he'll be in school the day that it's finally closing day, so I was like, I gotta bring him by on the weekend.
Yeah. One more day after today.
Yeah. You know, they got the other side over here, Ducatis and the BMWs and stuff. So I'm gonna peek my head over here. There's Sam over here. Sam, how you doing?
What's going on?
All right.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Last weekend.
Yeah, you know,
Sucks.
yeah, it sucks. I feel
How are you?
it's a real.
What's that?
What are you showing them?
You like that motor?
So-
You have good taste.
So it's kind of a sad feeling. I mean, other than, you know, somebody like you or Chop or Larry and everything. I did that video with him when he was 5 months old,
Yeah.
6 months old. His first video, and I was like, I gotta go and do essentially a goodbye video, farewell video, yeah. So, yeah. This is the most time I've ever spent here, primarily because I know I'm not gonna be able to do this walk around and hang out anymore. But the one good thing is that I'm hanging out with my little dude. You okay, Larry? Yeah, so District Harley-Davidson is closing. There are a lot of dealerships closing nowadays. Why? I won't speculate, but this is a sad moment because I was really hoping that this dealership would be around because, you know, I remember my dad taking me into Clary's, and now I have, you know, now I'm developing memories of Larry coming here with me, but unfortunately, this will be our last time here. So, this is almost like a goodbye. Not almost, this is a goodbye to District Harley-Davidson. I had an awesome time here, making these memories with my son, coming here for parts and supplies, bike shows and little concerts and parties they had here, coming to the Hall chapter meetings, drinking their coffee. It's rather unfortunate. Now I gotta find another dealership. I like this dealership because it gave me opportunity to ride and get some miles in. So whenever I checked in on my Harley members app, I was able to get miles in to get here and then get that awesome miles going back home. You know, I came here when I was getting married, working on my bike. I tore it all apart. When I was working on the artwork on my dining room table in my 1-bedroom, 2nd floor apartment down the road here. You know, whenever my dad would come to town, I would bring him by here, grab shirts, hang out, see what kind of bikes and parts and stuff they had here. Just what any other Harley owner does when he visits a new city and checks for the dealership. And of course, it's the first dealership that this guy visited. And unfortunately, from here on out, it'll all just be a memory. Come on, Larry. Larry, come on. Yeah, we're going home. There's hundreds, maybe thousands of signatures on the wall of different people who purchased motorcycles from here. It's CB over here. Whew. Still like this bike. My wife would kill me if I brought that home. I'd be like, they gave it to me. You know, we walked through here looking at the different bikes, all the different colors. You know, it's a little bit different, right?
Beat the hell out of the foghorn leghorn. A lot of Larrys in one spot.
Right. This is triple Larry's right now.
One of my favorite albums, Electric Larry Land.
Really? Who was that by?
Butthole Surfers. They're an acquired taste, but I like them.
Right. Man, my last time checking out here.
No, it's okay. You're good with it.
I've been to this parts counter on many occasions because I needed a part. Ooh, boy. Say goodbye to Mr. Larry and Mr. Chop. Say goodbye, Mr. Chop.
Pleasure. I noticed since you was a little baby.
Good knowing you. Great meeting you.
See you in the funny paper.
Right.
Hey,
Doing well. How are you?
I saw you on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I repeat with you and your dad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He's going, isn't that him?
I'm
I'm
like, that's
look
the
at his
guy. I know
back.
that
Yes,
guy's
it is.
voice.
Right.
All right, it's nice to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you as well. Pleasure meeting you as well. Yeah, so I came by because I did a video with him 5 years ago when he was 6 months old.
Oh, wow.
And the video is titled My First Dealership with my son or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Hey, my name is Will Carter.
Will Carter. Pleasure
Yes,
meeting you,
nice to meet my
Will
wife,
Carter.
Denise.
Pleasure meeting you, Denise.
Where are you going?
Boy.
He said, I know my way around here.
Yeah, he does.
Service.
Come here, Larry.
But,
Yeah.
Yeah, because I saw you and your dad.
Yeah.
And I said, man, that's touching. And
Thank
I
you,
lost
thank
my
you.
dad a long time ago.
Right.
But I said, man, this is what it's all about.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And, you know, I try to experience a lot of stuff with him as well.
All right, brother. It was nice
Pleasure
meeting
meeting
you. All righty.
Yes, sir. Hopefully we can keep some of these dealerships open because they're not just about the motorcycles themselves, but the family, the culture, and just, I mean, I don't know. I'm grateful for all the people here at District Harley-Davidson, Chop, Mr. Larry, Mr. Maurice Slaughter, Sam, everybody here, man, and District Harley Owners Group, Chapter 4368. Hey, I'm grateful for all the folks here. This is the first dealership my son ever visited with me 5 years ago. He's got 2 wiggly teeth up front. They're about to come out. They may come out tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. But hey, thanks for tuning into this episode of Bill Ride Repeat. I'm Larry. My little dude is in the car. We're about to head home. Hey, like I said, I really appreciate all the people here from District Harley-Davidson, all the events they had here, the kind words of Mr. Maurice Slaughter when I met him, and the good folks from District Harley Owners Group. It's been real. But if you like stuff like this, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to Bill Ride Repeat, and I'll see you on the next one.